Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving your work and backing up critical files because firmware changes can affect boot. Once done, plug in a USB keyboard if needed and restart the PC. Make sure you know the key. On Gigabyte boards it's usually delete or F2, so press it repeatedly as the system powers on. You're entering the UEFI setup, not the OS. When the BIOS screen appears, you'll be ready to locate the secure boot options in the next steps. Once inside, switch from easy mode to advanced or settings view. You need full option visibility. Navigate to the boot or security tab and open the secure boot submenu. Gigabyte often lists it under Windows OS configuration or boot. You may see an OS type setting. Changing that to other OS can allow disabling. When you find secure boot, select disabled. You're doing this because disabling allows unsigned OS or drivers to load, so proceed if you understand the trade-off. You finish by saving and exiting. Press F10, confirm, and let the machine reboot so the new secure boot state takes effect. If the system fails to boot, go back into BIOS to verify the change or temporarily re-enable secure boot to test. If BIOS becomes unresponsive or settings won't apply, reset CMOS. Power down, unplug, and use the clear jumper or remove the motherboard battery for 1 to 2 minutes. That restores defaults and resolves most firmware misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.